Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this small video, recapping the whole week, the trades taken, and showing you why those trades were taken and how they were taken. So let's get started. This is the week started from Monday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, is July 3rd, right? But the July 3rd was completely dead. So nothing happened. I don't have anything there. Maybe a couple of SL hit, 25 pip each, or 15 pip or 10 pip, something like that, when I move a little bit. Not to mention those. But here, July 4th, this is pound Aussie. Okay, so this is one other trade. And all these trades are backed by my analysis. I have the chart of my analysis that where this pair is going to go and why. And I tell my subscriber, that this is what it is and look for this and that. And from that level, because the analysis tells me, all these highs and lows and these lines. So you can clearly see that, they try it like 3 times here. Okay. And then finally, and then you have to have a right timing, the right time for the trade. The market is open 24 hours, but it doesn't move 24 hours. Okay. It moves on very specific timings, and you need to know that. Which pair moves. Like Aussie pairs usually move because Aussie is an Asian currency, right? So and then but it involves like pound Aussie involved pound, so pound is in European currency. So pound Aussie can move in both. So these are the things. And pound USD, when pound USD will not move in Asian session. So an Aussie yen, it will move and in specific time, and some news like you have a calendar. And specific news moves the pairs. But this is what I teach in my webinars. So here we are now here. So 4th July, the pound Aussie move all the way here, more than 100 pips. So I don't know, it goes. So if it's more than 100 pips, I just write more than 100 pips. That's all. And then same day it was a CAD yen. CAD yen has a very big story behind it. I made the CAD yen weekly chart like a few weeks ago, and it is still intact and powerfully moving. And I'm trading this pair like crazy, and it's been a very good, I can say bread and butter for me for the last couple of weeks, and a lot of weeks to come. So I'm going to show it at the end. Okay, so CAD yen, all of these entries. Look at this. This was the entry, and after all this time, there was an entry, and then after all this time, price never looked back. Okay, these entries, and it's awesome. This pair is right now is awesome. The number one pair right now. So this was also went up a lot more than this, okay, a lot more. So this is the 4th of July, fireworks for me, thank you. Then the 5th was dead, but I had a couple of entries and not closed the trade, so you don't see anything 6. But on the 5th, on the 6th, I closed and I opened some trades. See this one, you can see the date here when they opened the trade was 5th. So this is the 5th of July trade, which just drag into the 6th of the July. So I closed around the 6th of the July. Okay, so this is Euro Aussie. Actually, I told my subscriber that it's going to go down, but I was very skeptical about the Aussie, the where it's going to go, and I told them to be ready and be careful and be ready. It may bounce and may weaken the Aussie dollar, and Aussie pair will probably go up. Aussie and Euro Aussie, and that's exactly what happened. So I was ready for that, and this was a band of 3 different levels, and we were there. You can see a nice move, and then slow retracement, shallow, and all of a sudden the news break out, and it's gone. And then as soon as it hit this area, close the trade. But these are the specific areas, and if you know them, life becomes very easy. Okay. So Euro Aussie on the 6th, and move on to Euro Yen. This is one of the best pair also. The thing is that Yen is on the move, Yen index. Okay, Yen currency is getting weaker. So all the Yen pairs are going up, and I'm hitting almost every single pair of Yen. And not, Franc Yen, I dropped the Franc Yen and the New Zealand Yen, But yeah, Aussie Yen, I didn't do Aussie Yen this week. CAD Yen, Euro Yen, Pound Yen, USD Yen, couple of trades. So when Yen is on the move, all the 8, 9 pairs, they all will move. Some more, some less, but they all move. Okay, so you have to see which currencies are strong against the weakest. then that pair will move the fastest. So EUR-USD, this is a 40-minute chart, so it's a small move, but it's more than 100 pip. Okay, right here, I made an entry. It was a late entry, but the pair was awesome. It was very, very, nicely moving to the upside. So it was a safe entry, even though it was a late. You can see it's nice here, this entry. And after that, no entry whatsoever. And then you have a beautiful entry by the book. It's for hundreds of pips. Again, hundreds of pips. Again, this and this. And then more to come, believe me or not. Okay. So this is the 6th. I had several trades on the 6th. This is EUR-USD as well. I told my subscribers that, USD is getting weaker. So before the NFP is going to continue getting weaker, and the pound USD and EUR-USD just straight to the upside. So this was one of the long trade on the upside. And by the way, this also, I have seen this here magic Ivy alarm. This alarm is also, when you subscribe, I give it to you. It's an EA, and you turn it on, and what it does, it beeps. Let's say, for example, right here, see this, whenever this indicator comes here and these EAs are aligned like the way it is there now, it will start beeping. So you don't have to, here, if it is traveling here, and if you're not in the trade, you can do whatever you want to do, and having, things done, and enjoy or watch TV or whatever. But when it is retracing, and then as soon as it comes inside the wave, this indicator goes down here, and it will start beeping. At that point, you will start watching this pair for a reversal candle and one blue candle, and that's the end of the story. Okay, you open a trade, you put your SL, and then you walk away for at least a day and let it run. This is how it is. Okay, so this magic Ivy system, the alarm, it's a big help, so this is probably the end. Oh no, it's EUR-USD. Okay, I already showed you 6th July, and then on the 6th as well, this is Euro Yen, also pound Yen. Right? Yen's moving to the upside. Yen is getting weaker, so everything will go up. So pound Yen, and by the way, pound Yen also, I have a chart, daily chart made for a couple of weeks ago, that pound Yen need to go much higher levels, according to the Elliott wave count. So we are also, this pair we are also hitting to the upside only, not just the short. If it is dropping, let it drop. It drops only to give us a nice, beautiful setup. Like that, it will start dropping, and we got the beautiful setup here, and then here again, and then here again. This was a beautiful setup. This was a beautiful setup. And I took all of these trades. So I have the charts to show with entries and SL and everything. So here today, on the 6th, yesterday, 90 pip, and it went up more than that. Then today, this is one of the USD yen. Right, and then again, my favorite, and then look at these entries here too. This one, it's each and every single entry, when it's made, price never looked back. Maybe here you went up, you came back. Maybe your SL hit the break even, and maybe here as well. But when the entry here, it goes all the way, and this is also going all the way. So very, very precise system if you learn. It takes little time to learn, and but it goes with my analysis. You have to know. There is no system is only buy and sell and you make millions. No, buy, sell, whatever. It's a precise entry system where you don't get negative too much or blow up your account. Like a lot of people say, no, I don't use SL. That's the nonsense that you can do that if not using the SL. Okay, you can lose your account. For sure, one day, So this strategy is that when you have a reversal candle or first blue candle, you open a trade. So it's always 25 pip, and you place your SL right behind this, and you look each and every here. As soon as you open a trade and put the SL, the price never hit the SL. Went up. Here the same thing. Here the same thing. Here the same thing. Here the same thing. Right? Here you had a reversal candle, but you don't have a blue candle. Here again, reversal candle, but no blue candle. But as soon as you have a couple of blue candles, you open a trade, the price never look back. At least here, you will get, maybe you lose 5 or 10 pips. That's it. Okay, but when you make a lot. Okay, when you make a lot. That's the thing. So this is on the 7th, which is today, Friday. And this is the one, again, my baby. This is the best pair today. I mean, today and this week and the last week and the week to come, believe me. And I'll show you in the next clip. This 130 pips so far. Okay. And all of these entries, you can again look. This one, price never look back. This is a beautiful entry. This is also, again, beautiful entry. This is the not very nice entry, but even if you had an entry here, it will probably come back and get you maybe with 10 pips. This was, again, never look back. This one, again, gone with the wind all the way. This is the one, the 130 pip. And by the way, as you see, half of it is like 0.5. 5 mini large. No, I had a double entry here because I was so sure. I says, no, I'm going to go heavy. So where you are sure, you go heavy, one standard large or maybe more, whatever. But, where you're shaky, sometimes I go 3 mini, 4 mini, 5 mini, but, when I'm, very, very sure, then, full lot standard. And that's it. So this is how I ended the week. You can count the whole the amount of pippage. Last week was more than 700. I'm sure this week at least more than 500, if not 7. Let me show you now why I'm keep hitting this CAD yen. And the chart that I'm going to show, the similar charts I have almost every pair. Euro yen I traded long, and because I have the analysis chart, the daily chart there, which shows that it's going to go up for 2 weeks ago. And I give these longer term charts like daily, weekly, monthly to my subscriber ahead of time, teaching them, telling them that this pair is going up or down, the trend is up or down, and then only take long or short in these pairs. So we have taken only long in yen pairs with, like 8 or 9 pairs because yen is getting weaker, and I have that chart as well. Let me show you the tweet that I've been doing. Let me see. See this tweet here? Today I says that, yen index. Okay, yen index here. Yen index is trying to take out 57 handle. And if it does, all yen pairs will be flying high. My favorite CAD yen is already flying. And I was in there. Right? And this is, pound yen trade. I put it there. And then this is the CAD yen where it was only 100 pip. And then later on, I went even further to the upside. And this is I put it on the website, I guess. That's right. And then again, I says, well, see, yen index not giving up, pushing again to break 57. Let's see if so. Today was Friday, and then it gives up finally. Okay, but I think when it's at the resistance right now. So when the week starts, maybe it will pull down a little bit and then go up. So you need to know all of these things. If not, this market is dangerous. Okay. If you go here, it's like a jungle with all kind of animals, especially tigers and lions. And if you go without a knife or a gun, you know what's going to happen to you, right? So you have to be prepared. You want to go, have fun, kill 10 lions, but you have to have nice guns, a couple of Uzis and shotguns and this and that, AK-47. So 10, 15 lion, 20 lion, you can a couple of elephants, easy. You can kill all of them and have fun, whatever. But if you go without the ammunition, not good, right? So this is how it is. This forex market is very dangerous if you don't know. But if you learn, you're gonna love it. You're gonna make a lot of money. Simple as that. And if you make a lot of money, then you can love the whole world and your life and everything else, right? So this is how it is. And this is the Twitter. And I wanted to show you my website, where you have the subscription. You can go on this page and you can see the videos and everything. But here you can see my YouTube channel, where I have hundreds of them, almost like 800 800 videos. But they are like public videos, informational but public videos. But what I do is when I do webinar, I do record them, right? And because not everybody is available to attend the live webinar. So whoever comes, fine. But the rest of the people, then I convert it and I put it in as a private video. I send it to them. So this one, is like for everybody. You can go and watch my videos there. But in this area, excuse me, I have a lot of things open here, so that's why. So this area is previously previous webinar recordings, that's where I have all those few hundred webinars recording here, okay, in this area. But if you go on my website and try to get in there, this is a password protected area only for subscribers. But what it is like it's a wealth of knowledge here. Every webinar, I explain why, how, all these charts, the Elliott waves, harmonic patterns, and support resistance, how you do this, how you do that, Fibonacci tool, how you can use it, all the whole line yard. Okay, from A to Z about the Forex I teach in these webinars, which you're going to learn. So if you go there, and you have a lot of them, like I said, hundreds of webinar recording. Every webinar. I do it webinar like Wednesday and Sunday. Okay. I do on Sunday to prepare my subscribers or take their trades from Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday in the daytime. Then in the Wednesday evening, I do the webinar at 4 o'clock to cover the Wednesday night, and then Thursday and Friday. Okay. So Wednesday night means London session, US session, we catch that. So Thursday night actually, and then Friday, right? So this is how it is, and this is a monthly subscription page, and you can go there and again some videos and charts and stuff like that. So bottom line is that yeah, you can just subscribe, and the subscription fees is monthly is $67. Okay, I was doing the calculation. Somebody was asking me, so I said, look, $67 a month. Okay. And for 12 months, for the whole year, it comes out to around $800. But only one day, one of these trades that I give you is 130 pip. With one standard lot, this is $1,300. And I had today also a USD yen, right? Only today, not yesterday. Yesterday I had big trades, 4 of them. Forget about that. Or forget about the whole week or the last week. So only today, between this and that's probably like 50, 55 pip over there so far. And 130, so that's 180 pip. One standard lot, that's $1,800. So my whole year worth of fees is, you cover with the 1 day trade. This is how it is. But what you learn is that you will learn to command this market. You will own this market. Okay, it's in front of you. I'm not. It's no hanky panky here. It's just all these entries. I mean, if you have taken these entries, you would have made a lot of money already. And these are the, oh, by the way, I will show you the chart, the CAD-JPY, why I was taking long. This is the secret here. Where? Oh, here. Okay, this is the chart I made on 16 June. Okay, I caught this as Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B at 23% line. This is my favorite line in harmonic patterns. And conventional way, people teaches you that, oh, once the pattern is finished, you trade. What the heck? This is point C of the harmonic pattern. This is the Elliott wave count. That's what I'm showing. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC. Harmonic pattern wise is X, A, B, C. So my favorite trading style is catching the move from C to D, the last leg of any harmonic pattern, especially bad pattern, because it is a long way to go. Okay, and I specialize in this, and you can see tons of example on my website, hundreds and hundreds of pips. I had pound yen weekly chart exactly dropping from the 23% line, and it dropped for more than 4,000 pips, 4,500 pips in a straight line, and you can watch that chart in my on my website. Pound yen, go on a pound yen section, the pair page, and then you will see that chart. So this is the smart move. Taking or catching this move here. It's a big move. So what happened to this chart so far? Let me show you. Here we are here. Okay. So 23% and exactly start going, and this is why I'm trading CAD yen, and a similar chart I have for pound yen, I have for euro yen, I have euro USD, all of these charts that shows you the direction, overall direction, and only if you see a short setup or price even dropping fast, a lot of people will go short, only to find out, boom, it will turn against them and then go and take them negative. Why? Because it is powerfully going towards somewhere. It has the target in sight. So it's going to go there. Now the numbers to watch is this one, excuse me, 88.91, 88.79. And then once it's going to hit this number, it will pull back a little bit to drop over here, 87.43. That is one you make a setup again, or it's a small dip, you can say, and then we take it again. And it's going to break this and go to one of these highs, this low, this low, this low, and, do the same thing again and continue to the upside for the final target, as long as the yen index is going to the upside. By the way, CAD index is getting strong. That's why this pair is flying. And also I have a very beautiful chart in USD CAD. I made it like a couple of months ago, and now it's playing out beautifully. Hundreds of pips already dropped. And today I'm sure that, what the heck, I'll show it to you anyway. And probably it dropped. I didn't see it, but I'm sure that it dropped big time today. I don't trade that pair at all. I have enough. You see, you have to master a few pairs and then just go after them. That's it. So Euro, Aussie, pound yen, these are my favorite pairs. And everything else I do for public, yeah. See, this is the pair. When I made this chart, we were here. Okay. And since then, I said we're going to drop. This is harmonic pattern again, butterfly, and it's straight line. It's dropping in a straight line. If we can go back, take a look, USD CAD. Wow, what did I do? Okay, messed up. Caught it again. When did I make? Okay, here. I don't want to go back. Since 21st May. So almost the end of the May. Then June, July. It's already here. You just saw it, right? Right there. See? Straight line. And I gave it to my subscribers. I said, yeah, have fun with that. Okay. A monthly chart is also, pretty nice, beautiful chart, beautiful calculation and everything. So when you subscribe, you have this thing, and you learn. Not only you have it, you learn how to do this, which highs and lows are important, and how, See, we just broke below these highs. These highs were the biggest support. We broke that to the downside, coming down. Now, what's in the way is this one, and this low. They're gone, and we are all the way to the downside. At least, the first would be 2460, and then the trend line. So you have it. This is a gift from me. Go trade from next week. So CAD is getting strong. CAD is on the right hand side, but that's why USD CAD is dropping. CAD yen flying because CAD is on the left hand side in that pair, so it's going up. Any other CAD pair you can go and trade now, because once you know the index, once you know the index and learn where the index is going, or the currency is getting strong or weaker. So if CAD is getting strong, it will get strong against every currency. Okay, so Euro CAD will drop. Pound CAD will drop, USD CAD will drop, stuff like that. CAD yen will go up, it's going, and I'm trading it. This one, I could have, traded into the downside very easily, but I don't even trade. This one and USD franc, I stopped trading them. So, but I do the analysis for public, right? So this is what it is. Excuse me. Okay, so this is how today ends with this nice, beautiful trade, CAD yen. 130 pip, and this is the end of the week. And like I said, if you want to have this system, learn this system, and see, this would be a free gift, Magic IB alarm with the system. I'll give it to you, and you attend the webinars, and if you can't attend the webinars, you get the recording anyway, so you get prepared for the coming days, couple of days. Next days, what it is, and then you can always keep in touch with me through email. And once in a while, or most of the time, like the setup is happening or something important, I tweet, so you get, heads up there as well. Okay. So you basically covered, and you're going to learn a lot when you subscribe. So if you like what you see, you go on my website and, subscribe today and get prepared for the next week. Okay. And if anything, that if you cannot load the charts, and it's a little typical. It's like, these candles are not normal candles. These are special candles. So we have an indicator, which you have to open a 1 minute chart and apply the indicator, and then you open an offline charts. So if somebody doesn't know, or having difficulty, then I have someone that will go into your computer and install everything, okay, through TeamViewer. Okay, or if that person is not available, then I'll do it, no problem. So we'll install the whole thing and make the charts look like this, and then you start watching my videos, learn. I'll give you the videos, training videos. When you subscribe, you get the training videos, how to set up the charts, how to do this and how to do that. A lot of videos that if you watch, you will become master in no time. Okay, so this is it for now. I wanted to make a small video, but I always do that, So, like I said, if you like, just go and subscribe and get prepared for the next week. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.